Okay, a car starts progress and accelerates uniformly 14 seconds to reach a velocity of 25 meter per second. What will be its acceleration? Acceleration. Let's figure out the given. A car starts from, that means initial velocity or u is equal to 0, and it reaches to velocity of 25 meters per second. That means final velocity, it is initial velocity, final velocity is equals to 25 meter per second. While change of time is equals to, or t is equals to 10 seconds. What is the acceleration? Acceleration is a is equals to change of velocity over change of time. Change of velocity is final velocity minus initial velocity over final time, t2 minus t1. Final velocity is 25 meter per second minus initial velocity is, because it starts from rest, initial velocity 0 meter per second over t2 is 10 second minus t1, that means the initial time for initial velocity is 0 second, that means 25 minus 0 becomes 25 meter per second over 10 second. 25 over 25 meter per second over 10 becomes 2.5. That means acceleration ARO is equals to 2.5 meter per second squared. Why meter per second? Because meter per second divided by second means meter over second divided by second over 1, and it means again meter over second times 1 over second. It means m times 1, that means meter times 1, meter, second times second square. That is why we got 25.5 2.5 meter per second square.